look south, wait, hold.
Oh, maybe.
Hold. No.
Oh, yeah. Sorry, my bad.
Come my side. No, not that. Yeah. Come north, walk with me north. We're gonna pinch.
Coping the druid call.
Yeah, it's fine. Keep walking north for now. I need the front of Cracker. You, keep walking north. You, Cracker mounted up. Come north.
They're looking northwest.
Do you like
Northwest.
Noted. Yeah, keep walking north lang. Wala na yung crown dyan. Hanapin nyo yung crown nyo. Keep walking northwest.
Ngayon eh.
Hold lang. Keep walking northwest. Wait lang, yung TC Cracker nag-mount up. Kalma kayo. Keep walking northwest. Baka ma-pinch out tayo dyan. Wait lang. Hold here. Yo, keep walking northeast tayo. Yo, northeast tayo. Yo, they're looking. It's a fake. Yo, hold. Look inside of me. Shallow. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow now. Delete shallow. Yo, kite north. Go north. Ready def. Kite north. Ready def. Left. Okay, keep walking north. Nice. Keep walking north. It's a fake. Yo. Hold now, boys. Look on the crown. We're gonna hit the crown inside of us. West side of us. Look inside of us. Ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside. Delete inside. Yo, delete that please. Keep walking north now. It's a fake. Yo, no.
Israel.
Keep walking north. Everyone, come south with me. Gonna hit inside of me. You ready. Keep heals, please. Isa ng heals ko. You look inside. Counter. Everything on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything. Delete everything on me. Okay. No, I fucked up. Everyone get out. I fucked up I thought it was a fake. Get out. Yo boys, pag sinabi kong north lang muna, ng D-tanks ko, pag wala na yung crown nyo sa skin, huwag na kayo
Mercy, please.
Mercy, run.
I need you to run, Mercy, please.
Aman, Mercy. Aman bang?
Yo, I'm gonna let Mercy. It's alive!
Nice.
Mount up.
Nice.
I don't
Yo,
know if
everyone,
I alive or no.
yeah, I need na. Everyone go back to AR. D-tanks. Where's this? Okay, D-tanks wait lang. Oh my god, Mercy, guys.
Aduh!
Oh no!
Okay, wait.
You're ready
Okay.
to stay, ano?
Boys, here's the thing. D-tanks, pag wala na sa screen nyo yung crown nyo, alis din kayo. Huwag kayong mag-overextend. Okay? I was actually about to mount up na kasi nakita ko na yung TC Cracker to mount up. So they will look at us na. That's why hindi na tayo nakapag-mount up kasi nag-overextend pa yung D-tanks ko. If wala na yung crown nyo, wag na kayo dun, alis na kayo.